In this video, I'll show you how to check your disk's health in Windows 11. First, right-click on the Start button. From the menu that appears, select Settings. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more useful videos. Let's continue. In the Settings window, go to the System section. Then open Storage. Under the Storage Management section, click on Advanced Storage Settings. From the drop-down list, select Disks and Volumes. Here, find your disk and click Properties on the right side of its description. A new window will appear showing detailed information about the selected disk. Below, you can see the current health status of your drive. Thank you for watching.